Have you been thinking about country living? Well, I have a terrific new construction home on over an acre that is thoughtfully designed and tailor-made for you. And it's on Trinity. Take a look.
Want some land to go with a brand new home? This incredible new build sits on 1.06 acres and offers 4 wonderful sized bedrooms plus a study. This open floor plan has a wonderful corner fireplace in the living room. The kitchen is open to the dining area and living area, great for entertaining while cooking your favorite meals. The owner's suite is an isolated retreat with a deluxe bath and walk-in closet open to the utility area. The back patio is the place to entertain friends and family. This is a great home you don't want to miss.
This tremendous home on Trinity is top notch. Don't be timid. Call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.